So to get set up for bridge pose in using a blanket to honor the curvature in the neck, you're going to want to fold the blanket and have the folded edge up towards the top of your mat, or essentially where your head is going to go. And so Lainey's going to lay herself back, and when she lays back, she's going to want to make sure that her head is on the floor and her shoulders aren't quite in line with the top of the blanket, but rather more so the edge of the blanket is in line with the crick of her neck. So that when she would push up into a pose like bridge, which she can do right now, she's going to feel as though the blanket is firmly supporting the curve of her neck. It's not going to be extreme, it's not going to be invasive, but rather there's this gentle reminder that there should be a curve there. Is that kind of what it feels like? And there should be no stress and strain in that cervical spine. So I would say that the blanket is about maybe 1 inch to 2 inches from the top of her shoulder. And again, we're using the folded edge, and you should feel that folded edge gently in the cervical spine. And then gently coming down and using bridge or moving into bridge as you would otherwise. All right, great job.